Hello guys, this is Banu Prakash. Today we will see about wondershare filmora and it is level 2. And now I am opening the wondershare filmora. In filmora 14 version I am using and widescreen I will select and click on the new project. So in the media section you can click on the import to button. It will open up the list of videos we have. For example, best health of ours. Some video I have imported into the media section. Now I will drag into the timeline. I will use the do not ask again because I wanted to match to the media settings. So in the video starting and ending portion, I wanted to cut it out because that is for just adjusting myself. So starting portion I have adjusted in the same way. Ending portion also I have adjusted. Now video is looking good. Now I will change the brightness settings. So select the video and then you can go to color, and according to your color settings you can modify. You can increase little bit brightness, exposure and contrast, highlight and then shadow little bit reduce, whiteness and black according to your need. You can adjust these things. So I think my video is fair enough. So now we will not to do any modification further related to the lighting. So and then I will again select if any person if you feel that your audio is low, then you can go to the audio section. In the volume, you can increase the volume to the maximum so that the audio volume will be increased in the upcoming in the exported video. Now in the video settings, I wanted to remove the background from video. That is why I will go to AI tools, select the AI portrait cutout. In the AI portrait cutout, I will select the quick cutout mode so that it will remove the background completely. Now I will add the backgrounds relevant to the topic. Also, let's go to the stock media. There are some of the stock media which is by default provided by Wondershare Filmora. So let's see the content of the topic. So and then we can decide the background. We always give least priority. Okay, so it is related to health. So that is why I will type health here. Some of the backgrounds which are coming related to the health. So I will drag and drop this background option. Since the format is related to, even though I have selected a widescreen, but this is a kind of portrait recorded. So I will go to file and in the project settings, I will have an option and to the change either to 916 that is portrait, or I can go for the widescreen. Since I wanted to in the portrait only, I will keep in the portrait section as it is. Now here in the background, since it is in a portrait, I need to drag it towards right sometime and towards left some portion. So if I wanted to keep the same background, so that I can copy paste the same background and then modify it, or I can drag and drop the other background. So now here also we need to double click here so that the background gets selected, and then we need to drag according to the positioning of the background, and I will select one more copy like this from the background section. And according to the content, basically, you can listen to the content which you have recorded, and according to that, you can put the background content. And so some other content also I'm placing it here, and the end should be according to the video length. And here also I wanted to match to the background, so that's how I will drag. Now the complete background for the video has been done. Now I will add a title for this thing so that user can easily read it. I'll go to the titles and I will select. I'm commonly using as a comic as the title because it is good looking one for my, that's what I felt. Now I will keep this title for the entire duration of the video. So and to make the changes, so I don't want here, so that's why I put it on the top of the video. And to change the content, go to the right side text button, remove the existing content and type content the title according to the content. I put health. So now the video is we always give for the title is ready, background is ready, video brightness also looking good. So I think that is fine. Now I will add some kind of effects. If you go to effects section, I think stickers I will add. So let's go to the stickers one. In the stickers, we wanted to add a subscribe button. So let's keep the subscribe for the entire duration. If you see the subscribe is coming in the middle, so I don't want like that. I will reduce the size as well and keep towards the right. So subscribe is good, but I want some kind of like. So that's why I will search for the like here as well in the sticker section. If it is some kind of like scheme. So I will take any one of the like which are there and I'll add it to the entire duration. Now again it came in the middle, so I don't want like that. I will reduce the size and keep towards left. So that is how we can keep subscribe and like stickers. Now stickers also added, title ad also added, video brightness settings also modified, audio also increased, background also added. Now I will click on the export button so that it will export. If I wanted to generate the automated thumbnail, I will use auto generated thumbnail. If I don't want that, if I wanted to customize, I will click on edit button and then it will open up the screen. If you wanted to add more images, you can click on this button. Or if you wanted to add any kind of text, you can use this text button as well. I don't want to make any change at the moment, so I click on the save. And now with this button add the thumbnail to the beginning. That means it will add this thumbnail to the start of your video. Okay, now I will name it to it is related to health, so that is why I put health and click on export. In a minute or two, it will be exporting this video in the MP3 MP4 format and then to your local machine. So once it is exported, and then you can upload this MP4 formatted video to your social media channels. Thank you.